Welcome back. You're still tuned into Trading Hour. Like we told you, the market seems to be attempting a move higher once again. And some of the stocks which are really aiding that, you have Titan, which has moved from the low point of the day and is up significantly right now. You have NTPC, also ICICI Bank, which has seen a sharp up move in the past couple of minutes. So that's what's happening with the equity markets. But let's talk about what's going on with the commodities. We have Manisha joining us. And today she's going to talk about the Rabi crops. Manisha.
Pavitra, thank you for that. I also want to talk about the food inflation, which thankfully has started to peter off, ease off. That is because the international markets have seen weather improve. The outcome or the yield for many of the crops has been on the better side. And this is an arrival season for many of the producing countries that has been supportive as well. For the Indian markets, it has been various measures that the government has been taking in sense of cutting import duty, giving subsidies. That has helped the food prices also. And finally, I mean, as you mentioned, the Rabi crop numbers also look quite positive right now. This is the most important winter crop, by the way, and we have seen Rabi sowing up by nearly 7.2% till time, and it's much higher than as last year as compared to for various commodities here. Not so great number when you look at the pulses prices here, because whether it's about chana, lentils, it all has seen a decline in sowing area as compared to last year. Overall pulses sowing, by the way, is down by 3.7% till time right now. The major reason has been because the pulses prices have been sluggish, and many of them below MSP as well for most part of last year is the reason you are looking at lower sowing there. Core cereals, the same issue. You have seen sowing decline by 2.8%, but there is good sowing that you've seen in sense of oil seeds. Mustard is seen 14.7% of a jump up in sense of sowing land, and oil seeds overall is up by 12.8%. Rice 11.4% as a jump up as compared to last year. So we are looking at a higher paddy sowing as well. And wheat sowing has gone up by nearly 14.7%. Wheat actually is one of the major important crops when you look at the winter period here. Government buffer stock, when you look at that, has declined by 49.9% as compared to the previous year. And we have seen the wheat prices go up by 20 to 25% in the matter of this year itself. So wheat is going to be one crop that's going to be seen as crucial. The numbers as of now look good. And when you look at the prices, as I said, many of the prices in sense of crops of wheat, rice, oil seeds have seen strong gains in last 6 or 7 months is the reason the higher sowing number.
Okay. Manisha, thank you very much for that. We'll slip into a break on the